We're here live. It's Shauna.
And I'm Blake.
We're here to see the contest of the SS Kri Dawg, the Schmoop Scooter, and last but certainly not least, the SS Relic 2.0. What's going to happen today, ladies, and who's going to sink first? I don't know, gentlemen. What's going to happen?
It shall be the finest thing of the century.
It's showtime. Let's go.
Okay, so while we're waiting for the people to get ready, we are going to have Kri Dawg go first.
Okay, please.
So, here she goes. And there it is. Okay. Certainly.
And just so you know, Blake, the timer will be easy to read because the video has a time segment on it. So as soon as I put the boat, as soon as Kri Dawg put the boat in, then that's when the moment of the time starts. So we don't need an actual timer running on this.
Good
Is that
point,
good for you?
Shauna.
Well, thank you, Blake. It's always a pleasure doing business.
And
I'm
wow.
going down.
SS Kri Dawg is going
Oh,
down.
wow.
Oh, jeez.
That didn't take long.
That is just sinking. High winds today, definitely.
It certainly is.
High winds.
High winds and very hot. I didn't know
Oh, wow.
I wasn't aware we skipped over to the meteorologist department. Uh-oh.
Looks
Oh,
like
no.
there's some waves.
Yep. Turbulence, turbulence, no! If the SS Kri Dawg takes in much more water, she going down.
Probably.
Yeah. Don't hurt her. Oh, it doesn't look good for the dogger. Not gonna be a good day. It could be a tidal wave coming in.
Oh, no. I think it's done for.
Okay, let her breathe. Let her breathe. She's on her side. It's not much longer here.
No.
Yeah. It's a
Certainly
doggy dog
not.
day, and somebody's wearing milk bone underwear.
What? Okay. Now let's talk about meteorologists.
Who also are named Shauna and Blake.
Yep. Okay, so there is high winds today of winds and maybe possible thunderstorms. Now to you, Shauna.
Well, I beg to differ. The weather feels very balmy today, and I think we're in for a lovely evening. Back to you, Blake.
Okay. Well, I have nothing much to say. Let's go back to the
Kri Dawg?
SS Kri Dawg sinking. Wow.
Well done.
And it is going down. Oh,
That's it,
wow.
that's it.
It's got. That is. The SS Kri Dawg is going down. Ooh, there's bubbles. Oh, it is down. Oh, and there's waves. Down for the count. Bow wow. Well, SS Kri Dawg, you only lasted for 3 minutes.
Better than none.
Better than none. Back to the newscast.
Well, that was an interesting
SS Kri Dawg.
We're out now. We'll be back in a moment after these commercials.